Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Is the Reddit app crashing again and again on your phone? Does it close automatically after opening? Do not worry, let me show you how to fix Reddit crashing issues step by step. First, close the Reddit app completely. Now open your phone settings. Tap on Apps or App Management. Find and open Reddit from the app list. Tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. After that, go back and tap on Force Stop. Now open Reddit again and check if the issue is fixed. If Reddit is still crashing, go back to the app settings. Tap on App Permissions. Make sure all required permissions are allowed. Missing permissions can cause app crashes. Next, open Play Store or App Store. Search for Reddit and update the app if an update is available. Also make sure your phone system is updated. Outdated software can cause apps to crash. If the problem continues, uninstall Reddit. Restart your phone and install Reddit again. This usually fixes most crashing issues. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more app fixes and phone tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.